everyone. So for today's episode, since this is episode 8, no big deal. Okay, so the first video I'm going to show, or no, not episode 8. Wow, that was last week. Okay, episode 9. The first one I'm going to show you, I was like, what the heck is this? It's called Cool Dog Mowing Lawn, and I watched it and was like, what is this? Since when has it come to letting animals mow the lawn? Like, it was just weird. It was put up July 24th of this year, and it got roughly 450,000 views. But I was still like, what? This dog shouldn't be mowing the lawn. Anyway, here it is. So you see what I mean about the dog? It was just like very bizarre. Anyway, the second video I'm going to show you is called Dog Says Wow. It's not really funny, but I couldn't find really much of anything. It had more views than most things. It was put up the 12th of August this year. It had 103,000 views, just a little bit more than that. And the owner says the word and then dog repeats it, kind of. Like, you can understand the dog in a way. It's just really weird. So here it is. I thought you guys might like this. I don't know. Anyway, here it is.
Mimi's gonna say, wow. 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 Good girl.
So the third and not very final, but final video of this episode is called Cat Hates Justin Bieber. Now, I watched this and I was like, I wasn't expecting what I saw, and I watched it and I was like, oh my god, this is hilarious. Because honestly, I'm not too fond of him either. No offense, but I just don't care. Anyway, besides that point, it was put up August 13th of this year, and it got 130,000 views. I thought it was hilarious, but you guys might have a different opinion. The cat was like, oh yeah. Anyway, here it is.
Look, it's Justin Bieber. It's Nick Jonas. Let's try one more. Look.
Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys next Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, etc., etc. Don't forget about commenting, like, I need names for my review web series. Otherwise, I'm just gonna call it whatever, because I'd like to start it soon. New episode of Tinkle Time will be up Wednesday, etc., etc. Later.